Hi, travelers! Here are 5 of the most popular children's vacation destinations, along with details about the attractions, cost, hotel accommodations, food, and unique experiences. First, if you like this type of content, please like, subscribe, and comment. Now let's dive right in. First on our list is Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. The cost varies widely depending on the season, ticket type, and accommodations. Generally, a family of 4 can expect to spend several $1,000s for a week-long trip, including park tickets, accommodations, and food. Walt Disney World has 4 theme parks: Magic Kingdom, Epcot, Disney's Hollywood Studios, and Disney's Animal Kingdom. There is also water parks, character meet and greets, parades, and fabulous fireworks shows. There are a wide range of options when it comes to hotel accommodations, from budget to luxury resorts within the Disney property. There's also a variety of dining options, including character dining experiences, themed restaurants, and quick-service eateries. There are plenty of unique experiences like meeting beloved Disney characters, exploring themed lands like Pandora, the world of Avatar, and Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. You can also attend special events like Mickey's Not-So-Scary Halloween Party. Walt Disney World offers an unforgettable family vacation filled with wonder and adventure. Second on our list, and located just down the road from Walt Disney World, is Universal Studios, where you can immerse yourself in the world of blockbuster movies and TV shows. The cost is similar to Disney World and can vary depending on ticket types, season, and accommodations. Expect a similar budget range for a family of 4, from thrilling rides based on popular franchises to immersive lands and live entertainment. Universal Studios leads you to the Islands of Adventure and Volcano Bay Water Park, featuring rides and attractions based on popular movies and TV shows like Harry Potter, Jurassic Park, and Marvel superheroes. Universal has several on-site hotels offering various themes and price points. Call ahead for reservations or check with your travel agent. Universal Studios offers diverse dining options, including themed restaurants and quick-service eateries that are sure to please. You'll thrill at exploring the wizarding world of Harry Potter, riding thrilling attractions like the Incredible Hulk coaster and Transformers, the ride 3D, and you can even enjoy live entertainment. Universal Studios offers action-packed fun for the whole family. Stay at one of their themed hotels for the complete experience. We're up to number 3, and we go from the East Coast to the West as we roll into Disneyland Resort in Anaheim, California. The costs at Disneyland Resort are generally slightly cheaper than Walt Disney World due to there being fewer parks and accommodations. Disneyland Resort Park and Disney California Adventure Park offers similar experiences to Disney World with some unique attractions like Cars Land and Pixar Pier. Disneyland Resort has several on-site hotels catering to different budgets and preferences. Check with your travel agent or call direct for pricing. Disneyland Resort offers a variety of dining options, including iconic snacks like churros and Dole Whip-themed restaurants and character dining experiences. There's something for every taste. Unique experiences at Disneyland Resort include riding classic attractions like Pirates of the Caribbean and Space Mountain, meeting Disney princesses and other characters, and enjoying nighttime spectaculars like Fantasmic. Disneyland Resort is a dream destination where memories are made to last a lifetime. Fourth on our list, and another fabulous family vacation, is Legoland with various locations worldwide, including California, Florida, Denmark, and Malaysia. Generally, the costs at Legoland are more affordable compared to Disney and Universal parks, with ticket prices and accommodation costs varying somewhat by location. Legoland Adventures include theme parks featuring rides, shows, and attractions all built around the Lego theme, with areas like Miniland showcasing intricate Lego replicas of famous landmarks. Many Legoland locations offer themed hotels or accommodations nearby with various price points, so check ahead of time. There are numerous family-friendly dining options along with several themed restaurants within the parks. Unique experiences include building with Lego bricks, enjoying themed areas like Lego Ninjago World and Lego City. Additionally, you can participate in interactive experiences like Lego workshops. Legoland promises a fun-filled adventure for Lego enthusiasts of all ages. And now, here's number 5 on our vacation list. Let's set sail on a magical voyage with Disney Cruise Lines. Prices vary depending on the length of the cruise, stateroom type, and itinerary. Generally, Disney cruises can range from several hundred to several $1,000s per person. Onboard entertainment includes Broadway-style shows, character meet and greets, themed deck parties, and youth clubs for different age groups. Exciting ports of call at various destinations add to the overall experience. Staterooms range from standard to luxury, with various options for families of different sizes. Dining options include rotational dining in themed restaurants, buffet-style meals, and specialty dining experiences to delight the entire family. On-board activities include participating in pirate-themed nights, watching Disney movies under the stars, and enjoying water slides and pools. With exciting ports of call and activities for every age group, a Disney cruise is a one-of-a-kind family vacation where relaxation meets adventure on the high seas. These 5 vacation spots offer unparalleled experiences for families seeking adventure and unforgettable memories. Whether you're exploring the enchanting worlds of Disney, diving into the cinematic magic of Universal Studios, embarking on a Lego-filled adventure at Legoland, or sailing away on a Disney Cruise Line voyage, each destination promises excitement, wonder, and endless fun for children and adults alike. So pack your bags, gather your loved ones, and embark on the ultimate family adventure to one of these incredible destinations. The journey awaits. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below, and we'll see you on your next great adventure.